400G optical modules are vital for AI clusters, hyperscale data centers, and cloud infrastructure. We'll explore DR4, FR4, and LR8 types. DR4 modules using MPO parallel fiber excel for short-range, high-density AI deployments. They offer low latency and cost efficiency. FR4 modules use CWDM over LC duplex for medium-range links up to 2 km. They improve fiber utilization and simplify campus backbones. LR8 modules use LWDM over LC duplex for long-distance links up to 10 km, ideal for metro and enterprise backbones. These LR8 modules, however, come with higher power consumption and increased cost, a trade-off for their extended reach. Field insights highlight common issues: MPO polarity mismatches, connector contamination, and excessive patching. Advanced link budgeting and LPO-enabled modules reduce power consumption by 2.5 W per port and improve thermal efficiency. This makes DR4 plus LPO ideal for latency-sensitive AI clusters, ensuring peak performance where it matters most. Careful selection ensures optimal performance, energy efficiency, and 800G readiness across multi-vendor environments.